Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the well-equipped 2015 GMC Acadia Denali all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7420X. 50,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Acadia brand new, white diamond in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, rear audio as well as climate controls. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use, and power liftgate for convenience. 60/40 split rear seat, folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Additional underfloor storage, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, Bose sound system, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large easy to read gauges with driver information system. This Acadia has advanced safety features like lane departure warning and forward collision alert. Wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, heads up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, heated and cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information about this Acadia, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.